Welcome to Neurodegeneration and AI in the Gulf. In today's episode, we are diving into how media and increasingly artificial intelligence shape awareness, understanding the policy action in the fight against neurodegenerative diseases across the Gulf region. While we have made great strides in research, stigma and misinformation continue to hold us back. Too often, dementia is still mistaken for normal part of aging, and neurodegenerative disorders are seen as taboo topics. That's where media comes in, traditional and digital. Whether it's a news article, a YouTube short, or even an AI generated infographic, media doesn't just inform, it influences. It can dismantle myths, amplify patient voices, and most importantly, drive policy. And in regions like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, and Qatar, where media landscapes vary, the challenge is not just spreading the message, but tailoring it meaningfully. AI is beginning to help here too, through audience targeting, language customization, and even generating localized awareness content at scale.
Digital media has exploded across the Gulf. Podcasts like this one are emerging as a flexible, on demand source of knowledge. YouTube is dominant, especially in Saudi Arabia and the UAE. Though neurodegeneration remains underrepresented, there's a real opportunity here for AI driven video creation tools to help neurologists and caregivers produce accessible short form content without needing production teams. Social media is where the real dynamism lies. Hashtags like hash Alzheimer's awareness trend in Saudi Arabia, while UAE based influencers sometimes use their platforms to talk about aging and mental health. AI is already enhancing this by analyzing which kinds of posts resonate most, helping NGOs optimize campaigns, and even generating personalized interactive chatbot experiences that guides users through symptoms or caregiving tips. Still, platforms like TikTok and Instagram remain under leverage for sustained impact.
If we look across Oman, Qatar, the UAE, and Saudi Arabia, the differences are clear. The UAE leads with digital innovation, advanced media ecosystems, and influential culture. But it still needs to be spotlight neurodegeneration more consistently. Saudi Arabia has massive traditional media influence and is catching up digitally, especially with AI being piloted in public health campaigns. Qatar strikes a balance. Its traditional radio and newspaper outlets are reliable, while its digital expansion is steady. Oman, however, faces barriers like limited rural access and slower digital media growth. But here's where AI can be transformative, especially with automated translation tools, rural content personalization, and low bandwidth solution to deliver audiovisual education where it's most needed. AI could democratize neurodegeneration awareness like never before.
The path forward, it's all about integration. Governments and NGOs could launch regional AI powered campaigns combining all platforms: TV, radio, podcasts, YouTube, and social media to create an ecosystem of learning and policy advocacy. Imagine localized AI generated avatars explaining Alzheimer's in native dialects, or radio shows generated weekly with fresh research summaries tailored to different Gulf audiences, or even AI based media dashboards for policymakers tracking the reach and sentiment of neurodegeneration messaging in real time. If we truly want to destigmatize these diseases, support caregivers, and improve policy. Media can't be an overthought, like afterthought. And AI isn't just a futuristic add on, it's a bridge between silence and action. Let's harness it strategically, compassionately, and collaboratively.